Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Snapchat not sending message error. If you're facing that, you want to fix it, please watch this video till the end. Also, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing to us for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So if you open up Snapchat and you're trying to send someone a message and it's not sending, there's a few problems that might happen. The first and obvious problem is your internet connection. So if your internet connection is not as good, if you're even your Wi-Fi or your cellular data, if the connection is not good, then the message won't send. So that's why try checking if your internet connection is good and stable. Try loading another app and see if you can load that app or not, or you can load a site on browser or not. Check other apps, and if you know that the app is not working, then you know it's an internet issue and your problem is solved as long as your internet connection is restored. If that's not the problem, if your Wi-Fi connection net is just fine, then what you can do is open up Snapchat and then you go to your profile icon, then you click on settings here. You will scroll down on the settings, and under account action you click on the clear cache option. So you continue to clear cache, and once you do that, check if the message is sent or not, and most probably these two will solve your problem. These two steps will solve your problem. So after checking your internet connection and clearing your cache, you'll be able to send that message. But if it's not solved your problem just yet, what you can do is try updating the app by going to Play Store and try and see if there are new updates. So try to update the app, and if you're in an updated version, the last case scenario will be to uninstall and reinstall the app. So to uninstall, you tap on the app and click on the uninstall button, and you go back to your Play Store or your App Store and reinstall it again. So you won't have to do this. This is the worst case scenario. And if none of this is working out for you, try contacting Snapchat or for support, and I think your problem will be solved by then. So if it did not, please leave a comment down below. If it did, please leave a like on our channel and also comment. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.